need the bottles to be thrown away. ये ठीक है? ये भी हटा दें? हटा दें? अच्छा ठीक है. How about table हटा दें? Table नहीं. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, Parinthi, I'm going to start off with asking you a question. Okay, so you downloaded the app. You must have had some time to play with it. Okay, first quick impressions.
This is working? It's not working. Check. Working? So, I've downloaded the app. That's the first thing I did because I didn't know anything about it. And I think the biggest thing is convenience. I think at a time when especially a person like me, who's actively looking for houses, it's very, very important for me to be able to just sit in my car, browse, through my phone. Sometimes you don't have time to actually go meet brokers or go and meet, the people who are making all of these houses. So it's so important of convenience and time saving, which I think this app does brilliantly. It's the most important thing for people today. So yeah, I think convenience would be my biggest USP.
I think that's completely right, because I think we've reached that time where we don't have to go to a real estate site. And there is a time now you could actually buy your first property completely by an app. Now, today it's surprising that you're launching up the app today, but today most of the headlines were how most film stars are buying some seriously big ticket apartments, 30 crores, 40 crores. Today was the headline. So how many are you planning to buy off this app, and what's your budget right now, and can we find you one right now, an apartment?
I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're talking about. Budget? Oh God, I'll have to ask my parents. Because I'm a spendthrift sometimes. And I want to buy the most expensive t-shirt and most expensive shoes. So even in houses, I always want to go, no, but that house has the sea view. I have to buy that one. So my parents are constantly, fighting with me of saying, "Bahut kharcha karti hai." So I'll have to ask them. Right now, I think you should give me some free houses. Like 4, 5.
Not even in the singular,
4,
the
5.
plural, houses. The एक नहीं, दो भी नहीं, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So,
like, see, I have 2 brothers and mama and papa. So there are 5 of us. So 5 to banta hai. Okay, so 6. One for all.
No pets.
देखो जब मीडिया आती है हम हमेशा एक प्रेस किट देते हैं. आज आई थिंक सब लोग एक घर की चाबी लेके ही जाओ, मुझे लगता है.
So, taking this opportunity, I'll just reiterate our beloved Prime Minister's vision that by 2022, housing for all will be a reality.
If you give it away free also, right?
Well, superb news. I'm sure by the end of this, discussion, the way these guys are going, everybody would have a free house. But why don't we take some questions from all of you? You guys have been eagerly waiting for all of our 3 gentlemen and the pretty lady in the house. So we've got a mic going around. There it is. If you have a question, just raise your hand and you can go on and ask.
Like शी शोर वाला हाउस आपको ज्यादा पसंद है या पहले घर के बारे में कुछ बताइए आप.
Actually, मैं बॉम्बे से नहीं हूँ, आपको पता है मैं अम्बाला से हूँ. So I've actually never bought a house because I've just come to Bombay 4 years ago, and I was renting and I've never. But now this year I'm close to finalizing, and I will announce it very soon. But yeah, I would like a sea view definitely. Check. I would like a sea view house definitely. I think this is a sign from God that I should not talk about it. So when I finalize the house, I will announce it.
All the best.
And the other part is that this app has a slider on it where you can choose what is your budget. So how far will your finger slide on the crores?
No, 10,000 rupees?
Free, free.
10,000 rupees I will give for 5 BHK.
She means per square inch.
Also have a complimentary pickup and drop, so she saved off that also.
Okay. I knew I did the right thing by coming today.
We'll move on to our next question.
Should I go? Sure. Yeah, the first thing is to just tell you a little bit about it. Basically, it's an app like many apps on your mobile phone. You play games on your phone, but buying a house on your phone is something you never thought of. But all Kolte Patil properties are listed on this app. Whichever city you want to invest in, you can literally choose, and you go buy a t-shirt, you can go and at least set up a meeting with somebody from their team. you can arrange a viewing, you can have actual walkthroughs of properties on your phone. So, you know, you could be out of town negotiating a deal for a flat in Mumbai. So it's really very convenient actually. And I think it's the day and age of technology. It's the day of online shopping. And I think even buying properties online is not very far away in the future. So I would say the most convenient and one of the most intelligent apps is what we're launching today.
परिणति, आप कौन कौन सा ऐप अभी मोबाइल पे यूज करती हैं फिलहाल?
All of them, I'll list all of them.
फिलहाल कौन?
कुछ बातें तो सीक्रेट रहने दो, कुछ बातें नहीं। मतलब मैं गेम्स नहीं खेलती हूँ फोन पे, तो देर आर नो गेम एप्स, बट अ लॉट ऑफ रीडिंग एप्स। आई रीड अ लॉट, सो अ लॉट ऑफ किंडल बुक्स. Then I have a lot about films, IMDb or PVR or Cinemax, and a lot of music apps because I like singing.
All the Bollywood celebrities add glamour to everything they do as such. So when you buy a